Hello everybody, hope you all are doing fantastic. For today's video, I will be talking about my morning and evening face routine, come reviewing the products that I have actually switched on after trying, I don't know, maybe zillion different facial products which might suit my skin type. So almost 3 months ago, one of my friends recommended me using this amazing product, which I will be telling you which one. But yes, I initially was a little bit skeptical of switching my product, but nothing was honestly suiting my skin type. Then I read about the product on internet, and to my surprise it had almost 35 to 40,000 reviews, which was almost sitting at 4.7 rating. Every single time I would try to find it anywhere across the stores, it is always sold out. Amazon has been playing the monopoly and selling it for such a high price. It's almost like $15 to $16, but on Amazon I have even seen it being sold for $25, $35, and even some of the sellers are selling it for $144 bucks, which is insane and crazy. So you can imagine how much hyped this product is. I am talking none other than the CeraVe SA Cleanser, which is one of the hotmost products in the market right now and one of the most talked about facial skin cleanser that you would see every other person talking about. Even the dermatologists have started recommending this. For me, this has worked wonders. You can see the amount that is left in the bottle. So this pack I started using, to be very precise, on December the 28th, when one of my friends, Andrea, actually got it, I don't know, from somewhere for me, and she's like, oh, I actually found this for you. And I was so excited to be trying my hand on this product that I couldn't resist, and I really just switched all my products and started using a different facial skincare routine just the next day. So for me, it's almost 3 months and I have seen drastic results on my skin type. You will see different pictures of me within a gap of few days that will actually prove that how this product has helped my skin to improve so much. So I was very desperate to be filming this video for you all, just because it has helped me immensely, and I was like, if this product can help any one of you who's watching the video, I would be honestly very grateful, just because if I can provide the information and some of the products that has worked wonderful for me, it might just be wonderful for you as well. I'm not a dermatologist, I'm not a skin specialist, but I'm just here to review the product that has changed my skin texture and has made it looking healthier. So if it really helps you, please put it in the comment section below. Now, talking about my first step in my facial skincare routine is of course following the very first step of the CTM routine, which is the cleanser, toner and moisturizer. So for cleansing purposes, I use the CeraVe SA Cleanser. If you talk about the SA word in it, it basically stands for salicylic acid. Now, salicylic acid is a chemical exfoliant which in simple language helps to unclog the pores so that the bacteria or the excessive oil production does not block the pores and does not lead to the acne formation. So this product is also, like, salicylic acid is used in variety of medicines and different products. You will see different benefits of salicylic acid precisely for skin. Like, I can't stop talking about it because it works amazing for acne. For me, if you see right now, my face has no makeup on it. I just took a shower and I just washed my face using this cleanser. I use it in the morning as well as in the evening, depending on your skin type. You could either use it once a day or twice a day. For me, it has worked nice if I have been using it once I wake up in the morning, and after I come from work, just remove my makeup. Although I have not been putting a lot of makeup because I have to wear the mask every single day. But if there is any residues on my skin or any dirt particles, I would just use this cleanser and wipe it off and clean my face very nicely and very gently. So this is the very first step. This is, it says that it gently cleanses and exfoliates while maintaining the skin's moisture barrier, because our skin also contains some moisturization barrier, which means that the moisture or the natural moisturizing factors within the skin itself cannot lose the skin surface. So this helps to retain it. It has ceramides and it has salicylic acid. Ceramides is a chemical ingredient which helps to retain the water content in the skin, thus making your skin look healthier, plumpier, and dewy and very, very hydrated. So it has all the essential ingredients that you would want to find in a facial skin product. So this is the first step in my facial skincare routine. Now following the second step, which is the toner. For toning, basically it helps to reduce the pore size, it helps to wipe off any remaining dirt on your skin surface. So honestly for toner, you can use any toner that suits your skin type. There are different toners available in the market. There could be something that might help you to reduce the size of the pore around your nose, or there could be something that might just help you to reduce the production of the excessive oil or the natural oil, which is called as sebum in your skin. For me, I have been using this Thayer's Witch Hazel toner. Witch hazel is again an ingredient which helps to reduce the production of sebum or the excessive oil, thereby resulting in lesser production of acne. So this has worked wonderful for me. I actually switched my whole skincare routine like almost 3 months ago, as I mentioned, and I have been using this since then. It doesn't take a lot of quantity on the cotton pad, like I still have a lot of quantity left. So this has been something that I would say that my investment hasn't gone waste. Yes, this has been amazingly working well for me. Now moving on to the third step, which is usually moisturizer, like in the CTM process. But before moisturization of your skin, if you want to add any serum depending on your skin type, by all means you can do it. Now for my skin type specifically, I have like a bumpy structure or some kind of blemishes. And also acne has always been a problem for me, like adult acne, I don't know, for some reason has always been there. So I wanted to incorporate a serum which really enhances my skin texture and reduces the formation of the blemishes and also reduces the formation of the acne. So I tried my hands on this little bottle here, which is from The Ordinary, which is niacinamide and zinc. This is an amazing, superly incredible product that I have used in my entire life. It's almost my third bottle that I have used. Ordinary's product, which is by Abnormal Beauty Company, they're extremely reasonable. This is I think only $6 and it's my third pack. You just have to take little bit quantity in this dropper, put it on your hand, and when you massage it, it turns a little bit white. You just dab it on your face, and then I usually like to massage it really well into the skin, avoiding the eye area. But don't forget to massage thoroughly on your neck. So after I have cleansed and toned my face, I would put this niacinamide serum. Now talking about the benefits of niacinamide, niacinamide is again very helpful when it comes to controlling acne. It helps in reducing again the oil production in your skin and thereby reducing the formation of acne. It helps to unclog the pores, thereby again reducing the formation of pimples, acne, and even for people who have really large acne called as pustules, which have a lot of pus in it and a lot of bacteria. Niacinamide has been one of the products even recommended by dermatologists and doctors because it really helps to control the excess oil production. Now coming on to the last step, which is of course the moisturization of the skin. When you talk about moisturizing your skin, your facial skin, I don't know, I might have tried 100 different products, but I've never come across a moisturizer that has really suited my skin very well. So when I switched myself to CeraVe's cleanser, I did try my hands on this CeraVe moisturizing cream. This large tub here, it's basically 453 grams CeraVe moisturizing cream for normal to dry skin. Now in this cream, what's so special about this is it contains the holy grail product, which is called as the hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid along with ceramide, so we have ceramide in this as well. Hyaluronic acid along with ceramide does help to retain the water content in your skin and retain the natural moisturizing factors, thus making, as I mentioned, making your skin look healthier and softer. So when obviously the water is retained in the skin, that's what makes your skin looks very dewy and fresh and always very healthy. So when you talk about the consistency of this cream is not something that's very runny. It's not a lotion, it's actually a cream, so the consistency is a little bit thick. So if you see here, I usually take generous amount on my finger, put it on my hand, activate the ingredient, and then massage it really well onto my skin. If you talk about these little scars that I still have left, which is very minimal as compared to the pictures that I have shown you before. I mean, with more time, I think scars is something that usually takes a very long time to, you know, fade and go away from the face. I usually try to do some at-home remedies as well. But for me, yes, these products have worked wonderful. And to my surprise, I never expected something that I can be, you know, sticking on to. That's why I wanted to give it enough time. Usually, facial skincare products show their results in 3 to 4 weeks, but I wanted to see if I can be consistent enough using the same products for a while, and then I wanted to film this video for you all because I did not want to do any, you know, dishonest review. I wanted to be very honest when it comes to the facial skin routine because I know how sentimental and emotional we are with our face, and when it comes to the quality and the texture. So right now, if you look at my face, it's all very fresh. And this has been my routine for the last 3 months. I hope you all can get a hands on these products. If you have been struggling to find something that's gonna change your skin type and texture, I think you should definitely give this a try by all means. So for morning routine, just to reiterate, of course it's cleansing, toning, serum and moisturizer. Just top it up with any sunscreen to, you know, protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. And at night time, if you want, you can add even an eye care routine, like just maybe an eye cream to, you know, moisturize your eye around the eye area. I usually go for this moisturizer only because I want my skincare routine not to be very tacky but extremely simple. So hopefully this video was very helpful for you all, and if you like the content, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and help me grow my channel. Until then, take care and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.